self-quarantine. What can I do? What can I do? I'm going crazy. How can you use self-quarantine to your advantage? Let's find out. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up on productivity, presentation, and public speaking. You don't want to miss out. So first of all, let me tell you what this video is not about. This video is not about getting more done, doing more things, and being more productive. So many videos that I see right now during this coronavirus time are so focused on being more productive. But in reality, there's something very different you should do, so let's have a look. Number one, reflect on your general direction for your life, for your career. What are a lot of people doing right now? Not the right things. They're busy, but busy with what? I gotta tell you, moving faster in the wrong direction is not the answer right now. You want to reflect on your future. Why are you in this situation right now? Because if you're watching this, things are maybe not to your advantage. You got to think about long term now. Okay, this happened. I'm in self-quarantine. But is my life, is my career moving in the right direction? A lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of businesses are going down because their businesses are simply not built for these times. They cannot survive. So ask yourself, for the future, are you in the right position? If not, what changes, what decisions do you have to make to adjust so that you're future-proof, really future-proof? Number two, clean up and organize. Most people's homes are too messy. If you look around the room that you're watching this video in right now, or if you go to the other rooms in your home, you can probably find a lot of clutter. You can find a lot of mess. Most people's homes are full of stuff they don't want, they don't need, and they never made decision on to let it go. So do that while you have this time. You spend a lot of time at home now. We're all self-quarantined. So this is a great time to let go of the past so you can really make space for the future. Yeah, I want to share with you a quick story of a friend of mine. When he doesn't have enough clients for his business, you know what he does? He walks around his office, he walks around his home, he makes a quick list of what's messy, what needs to be cleaned up, and he cleans it up right away. And then you know what happened? Very magically, new clients show up. New clients suddenly show up. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen right now during the whole coronavirus self-quarantine, but good things usually happen when you create space, when you do get organized. So that's what I would recommend that you do it now. How can you start, by the way? I recommend two resources. Number one is Marie Kondo. Yeah, you can find her show on Netflix. You can buy her book, The Magic of, I think the book is called The Magic of Tidying Up. Life-changing Magic of Tidying Up, yes. So that's the first resource. Look into her. You can learn a lot of great things from her. The second one is called The Home Edit. If you go to YouTube and you Google The Home Edit, there's a whole series of shows as well that shows you how you can organize your home in a beautiful way. Yes, I recommend that you start right after this video. Number three, get in shape. What do most people do now? They gain weight. They're like, oh no, it's all over. What can I do? I cannot do anything. Yeah, at least I can eat something. At least I can drink something. And then what happens? You gain a lot of weight, which you will later regret. Big time. Don't do it. Get in shape now. Use this time as an excuse not to exercise. You got probably less to do. Maybe you have more to do with your work. I'm not sure. Right? Each case is different, but still, you are at home. Don't use this as an excuse. Exercise more. In my personal case, I made the decision to exercise twice, once before lunch and once before dinner. And then my lunch and my dinner is simply the reward. And by the way, both exercises are not very long. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If I feel really lazy, and I'm also not perfect, every day is a little bit different. It could be 5 minutes, but do something. Do something. Do at least 50 jumping jacks. In my personal case, I like to do burpees. You could do push-ups. There are so many online videos on YouTube. Do something. Get in. Number four, make a list of things that you want to do when all this is over. Make that list. I just did that list with my son and my wife last week, and we got excited again. We were like, yes, we want to go to that restaurant. Yes, we want to visit that place. Yes, we want to take that short trip. Whatever it is. I don't know your situation, but do something that can cheer you up. Something that you can look forward to. Because sooner or later, this will be over. This will be over. And then, if you have the list ready, you can jump straight into action. No more excuses, go for it. Do what you wanted to do. And lastly, number 5, make a 5-year plan. It goes back to point number 1, the self-reflection. But where do you want to move ahead 5 years later? You don't want to come out of this weaker. Okay, you might. But your vision for your future has to become stronger than ever. You have to make a decision. This will never happen to me and my family again. Ever again. 5 years later, I'm going to be ready. I'm going to be prepared. If something like this ever happened again, this is going to be nothing. I'm going to become stronger than ever. And then create your 5-year plan. Write down for your career and your personal life. What do you want 5 years from now? So comment below one time, which of these tips are you going to use right away during your quarantine time? Okay, again, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. If you like this video, you can click like it as well. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.